Monday what? Microwaves. Fixing the fixers. What would please those who abuse the relations between people, karma, and microwaves? Those earthlings using microwave machines against life on our planet. They are creating bad examples and bad karma at the same time. Scary and scared people who dig a whole lot of huge holes that no one can escape from. What would please those who abuse the relations between people, karma, and microwaves? Monday what? 021.